Redis replication lets one primary server share its data with one or more replicas, giving you read scalability and the foundation for high availability. Replication in Redis is straightforward. One primary node handles writes, and one or more replicas maintain an up-to-date copy of that data. You scale reads by pointing clients at replicas, and you gain resilience because a replica can be promoted if the primary fails. When a replica first connects, the primary forks to produce an RDB snapshot while buffering live writes. Once the snapshot is delivered and loaded, the replica replays the buffer and then receives a continuous stream of commands, all asynchronously. Use info replication to see whether a node is a primary or replica, and to check its replication offset and lag. Setting min-replicas-to-write to 1 means the primary will refuse writes unless at least one replica is caught up, trading availability for durability. When reviewing a pull request that uses replication, check that writes never target a replica, that any read after write path either uses the primary or calls wait, and that the replication backlog is sized for your traffic spikes to avoid expensive full resyncs. Remember, replicas scale reads and enable failover, but async replication means a replica may be slightly behind. Use 8 or route critical reads to the primary and size your replication backlog to match your peak write rate.